Have you ever sat down to make a YouTube video only to find your mind as blank as the screen in front of you? You're not alone. Every creator faces the challenge of coming up with fresh, engaging content. But fear not, because in today's video, we're diving into the art of discovering endless video ideas for YouTube. Why is this important? Because your ability to generate ideas will not only keep your channel alive, but also thriving. Let's start with what you know and love. Think about your passions, hobbies, or skills. Now, imagine sharing that with the world. But how do you turn that into a video idea? Grab a notebook and jot down everything that comes to mind when you think about your interests. No filter, just free flow. Next, let's sprinkle in some research. Did you know that some of the best video ideas come from simply listening? Head over to forums related to your niche, like Reddit or Quora. Look for questions that keep popping up. These are potential gold mines for your next video. People are telling you what they want to know. Now, let's put a twist on what's trending. Browse the trending tab on YouTube. Pick out a few videos that catch your eye, even if they're not in your niche. How can you take that concept and make it your own? Can you apply it to your interests or expertise? This method keeps your content fresh and in line with what's currently capturing attention. Storytelling is your best friend. Think of a challenging moment or a big win in your journey related to your channel's theme. How did you overcome or achieve it? Personal stories not only provide great content, but also help build a deeper connection with your audience. Ever heard of the what if game? Let your imagination run wild with scenarios related to your niche. What if you had to start your hobby with only $50? These hypothetical questions can lead to some incredibly creative and engaging content. Collaboration time. Reach out to fellow creators in your niche. Brainstorming with others can unlock a whole new world of ideas you might not have considered on your own. Remember, feedback is golden. Ask your viewers what they want to see next. Not only does this provide you with tailored ideas, but it also makes your audience feel valued and heard. Keep an idea bank. Every time an idea pops into your head, no matter how big or small, write it down. This habit ensures you always have a list of potential videos at your fingertips.
Now don't forget, creativity is a muscle. The more you practice generating ideas, the easier it becomes. Soon you'll find inspiration in everything around you. Before you dive into creating your next masterpiece, let's pause for a moment. If you found any of these tips helpful, consider giving this video a like. And I'd love to hear which tip you're most excited to try, or if you have a unique method of your own, drop a comment below. And there you have it, a roadmap to endless YouTube video ideas. Remember, every great video starts with a spark of curiosity. Keep asking questions, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep creating. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Keep pushing your limits, and I'll see you in the next video.